Hello guys, this is Purushottam. I hope you're doing great. So welcome to tomorrow's trade. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about one of the potential stock which I recently found. So when I was doing my analysis, I found this stock as consolidating from September. Since Nifty has started correction, this particular stock has not been that much corrected, but it is being in the consolidation phase. So I found that this stock is having some potential in the upcoming days. So I want to put this stock in my watch list, and at the same time I want to bring this stock to you so that you will also make better use of that. And I also analyzed a few more important things, so that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. So I'll explain everything clearly guys, so please don't skip any part. Just watch out everything clearly so that you will understand why the stock has the potential and how we can trade in this stock, and about the stop loss and when we are going to trade in the stock, everything else. So okay guys, I'll explain everything in the chart. Let's jump into the video. So okay guys, the stock name is Apollo Tubes, which you can see here. So first I'll explain a few things in Nifty, okay, so that you can understand the comparison between the stock, why the stock has the potential and why we are going to analyze this chart, everything else. Okay, so I'll talk something about Nifty, then we'll go to Apollo Tubes. Okay, so here if you see, exactly on September 2014, September 2024, Nifty has stopped its all-time high. I'll just put this over here, and after that it got corrected. Okay, so if you see this correction, it's like 11% within like 1.5 month, like just 49 days. Nifty got corrected for 11%. It is huge. It is okay for an index, like okay in the sense for it is okay for this kind of big move. After that Nifty is getting corrected. It is not like Nifty is getting corrected just a small move and it is a fall. It's not a fall, it's a correction. So first we understand that it's a correction, and after that Nifty, what happened, it's just roaming around this area. It tried to move up but it did not touch in this area, it did not move here and get then it came down. No, what happened, it tried to move up but again it fell down. So we can understand that buyers in the market are huge, and the market condition is like after this correction it start consolidation. Okay, so still Nifty has not settled down. So from September to till now, it almost like 5 months. It's almost like 5 months that the stock is getting corrected. Sorry, Nifty is getting corrected, and the index is in correction. Okay, but so when I was doing the analysis, I can see multiple stocks which has fell down like 30%, 20%. Even though it formed a good pattern, what happened is, if anyone have traded those stocks, those stocks has a good potential, but what happened is, unfortunately, it got stop loss hit because of the bad market condition. So we have to consider that. We should not think that okay, Nifty is getting corrected but it's okay, we can trade any stock. No, sometimes the potential and the quality of the stock will make us to, the stock will not fall down, but what will happen to the stock which has not that much potential, it will fall down, it will give you a correction, and anyone who traded those stock, surely they will get hit by the stop loss. Okay, but you have to consider Apollo Tires. Even though Nifty is falling, once again guys, so even though Nifty is falling, this stock, I'll show you in the weekly time frame first. So basically this stock has the potential. Okay, that's what I'm telling. I could find that in my analysis. So this stock has the potential. Okay, this stock is basically in the upside move. Okay, uptrend. So totally if you see, it is a good uptrend. In this COVID also it fell down and moved up. After that there was not much correction in this stock. Like it did not corrected like this, or so there is a correction needed for this stock also. And after this move, what happened, it got formed a swing and moved up. So it formed a swing, but it did not corrected. It took a lot of time. After this COVID move, the stock is directly moving all the way up to this area. Okay, this is the all-time high for the Apollo tubes, and after that only the stock is getting corrected. So before that, I want to tell one thing about Apollo tires. So you want to know about you want to know the little. I want to give you a little background about Apollo tires so that you will understand what is Apollo tires, what is the market cap. You can see the current price is like 1005, okay, 1570.15, like 1570. And I would also like to show you the, I'll tell you why I'm telling this. Okay, Apollo tubes. Okay, where is that? AP. Okay. So here, if you see, so this is screener, guys. You just, if you want to check any stock, you just have to go type screener.in. Okay, screener, SC. I personally use screener.in to check the market cap. Any stock, like you can search any stock just for example. I'm saying immediately it will show you. Okay. So now we are seeing Apollo tires. I'll tell you. So if you see the market cap of Apollo tires, it's like 43,000 crores. Okay. So it is a, so what it is, when any stock which is more than 20,000 crores is come under, okay, it's come under high cap. Okay, it's not a mid cap, it's a high cap stock. So the volatile would be like little bit slow. So we can also see that the volatile of the stock is not that much huge. Like after this one also there is a move. So volatile in the sense, I hope you will understand, guys. You cannot see, like, you almost could not find a candle like this much big and this much big and this much move, a move like this. Okay, one candle for 3%, one candle for 5%, like that, because this is a high cap stock. So high cap stock will not move such, not all, but few high capital stock will not move that much. You have to understand that. Okay, so this stock is also following the same. Okay, this is what. Okay, so I hope you understood this stock has need some correction. I think this is that correction. The stock strongly it has formed. So let's draw the pattern first, and then I will explain you what is happening in the stock. Okay. So this is the resistance. If you see this is a good support level. I'll show you. It moved up, took the resistance all-time high, again it came down. So here, this is September, guys. This is September where the Nifty has started to get correction. At the same time, this stock is also getting consolidated. It's not like after Nifty has started correction at September, at the month of September, it didn't fall like this. It didn't corrected like this. Instead of that, this stock is getting consolidation. Okay, again it touched this price and came down, again touched this price, again it's coming down, and again 3 times it already formed as a resistance here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 resistance already formed, and after that it was getting correction. Okay, like a small correction, but that correction is also inside the pattern. Okay, at 24%, 24% in this stock is huge only. But also it is not continued. That is the thing. Okay, so maybe it would have 24% in a stock is huge, and like 10% in an index is very huge. Okay, 24, you cannot compare that 24%. This is 24%. Nifty is like only 11%. No, Nifty 50 when an index is like 5% of fall or correction in an index is very huge while comparing to any equity which has corrected for 20 or 25 percentage. Okay, so that is different, this is different. So 24 percentage is okay in this stock. And what happened after that? It did not like again moving around this area, it moved up and formed a pattern and again touched the resistance area and it formed fourth resistance. This price is getting strong, the resistance is getting strong, and after that it came down. This might looks bit all candles or red candles, that is fine. Okay, it's everything is happening in the pattern. The pattern is already forming here. Okay, so again try to move up and small correction and try to move up and forming a resistance again and coming down and a resistance again, resistance again. So totally you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 resistance. So the resistance is becoming strong. It is already strong now. And if you see the time period like September to Jan, like almost 5 months it has been in the consolidation phase. The support is also, I will say, still this support is strong only guys, because after this move, look, lot of supports like 1 candle, 2, 3, 4 candles is stopped in this area, that is fine. And here also it fell down like drastically, it came down, but after this support it could not able to go down. Again it moved up. Same thing happened here, it fell down, it moved up. So after that it did not touch the price, maybe it could come down again. Okay, so you can clearly understand this stock has a potential to move up. So I want you to put this stock in a watch list, and also I want you to do your analysis, because this is my analysis guys, and I found this stock to be having some potential, like almost a good potential I can say. So if I found a good breakout in this stock with right stop loss, I will do my position sizing, I will plan my risk management, and I will trade it accordingly. Surely I will trade this stock for sure if it is breaks out with good candle, like good candle in the sense I will explain you that also. So before that I want you to do your analysis also. Okay, so right now I'll tell you, if the stock is giving a move like this, a strong green candle, surely I will enter. I'll put the stop loss. Right now I cannot able to tell you where I can put the stop loss, because we have to understand. Okay, so I can assume and tell you, but surely we cannot able to find where to put the stop loss. So trend line, below trend line is usual that we can place our first stop loss. That is fine. That is also if the candle has already given a gap up or it already moved up like a very good move like this, almost like this up to this area, that will not happen, because mostly that will not happen because this stock, the volatile is not going to be huge even though it breaks out. So we have to plan the stop loss. Right now we cannot able to tell the stop loss guys, because the stock is still inside the pattern, it is getting consolidated. But what I can tell you is, I can tell you that the volatile could be high or low. Okay, because mostly it will be low, because considering it is a high capital stock. So even though it breaks up, surely it may come to a small pullback and after that it may move up. Okay, so that could also happen, and it might fall down, sorry, it might get correction and form a pattern here also. After that also it could move, but something I think is, it is not going to give a breakout like this or this or this. Okay, don't expect such a move like this in high capital stock. It is not that much easy for high cap stock to give that kind of 30% or 40% move. I can say that if a move from this area like this for a 20% move with a right stop loss is more better than is much better guys. It's a better profit in this stock. So if it is getting consolidated, and if you find a very good stop loss, if you want to put stop loss here or below this pattern, you can buy it in the stock, because this stock has the potential to move slowly. But what I will consider is, put a stop loss at the right area and you can get like more than 25 percentage, 35 or 30 percentage is enough. What I think, I don't like to usually in a bad market condition. I don't want to hold up a stock for a very long time. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you guys with this stock. So this is Apollo tires. Please put this in your watch list so that when it breaks out you can enter at the right time. Okay, so please make use of this stock, guys, and this is what I want to explain to you. Please do your own analysis and get your own plan so that you will also able to understand why you are going to trade this trade. Don't just enter or don't just add this in your watch list just what with only what I said, because you have to do your own analysis. You have to skip into weekly, monthly and day time frame and analysis few things that why the stock is potential like that, so that you will able to understand that if after entering the stock you will also get that okay, how to hold the stock, whether you have to hold it or whether you have to exit, so this kind of ideas you will get. So okay guys, I think this video is informative for you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and if you think this video is really informative for you, please like this video, and if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. If you want more such videos like this, please put that in the comment, and I will make sure to reply you, and that will motivate me to upload more videos like this. And please click on the bell icon so that you will not miss any videos from me. Until that, please take care. Bye.